Hey fam, welcome back to this week's video. We're starting off with the never-ending laundry. On this week's video, it's going to be a quick and fast one, a little speed cleaning and a little day in the life. I hope you enjoy. Okay guys, this is a Walmart pickup that we just did. It's not in any particular order. Really quick, we got some foil. I picked up some white chocolate or white macadamia cookies, pancakes, 2 of the turkey sausages, another thing of the Kool-Aid jammers, some Danable smoothies, mild cheddar cheese, fiesta cheese, butter, some scallions, 2 things of the steamed vegetables, trying out the cookie dough. The Great Value cookie dough was cheaper than the other brand. Half a gallon of milk, strawberry lemonade. I wanted a big thing of this. This was a substitute. They didn't have it. Some orange juice, thing of potatoes, onion, green peppers, banana. Then I got a couple of the cheddar potato Stouffer's, pack of ground beef, steak. We already have meat in the fridge, just adding to it. The Knorr rice packs. Picked up the sugar-free teriyaki marinade. I think that's going to be good to try. Then also got some low-sodium soy sauce, the cranberry pineapple Great Value juice, some gummies, a thing of the Pringles, cheese Pringles, then also some goldfish, just some snacks over here, chips, jalapeno harvest, salt and vinegar, hash browns, cookies and cream ice cream, couple of breakfast bowls for Jay, a couple different ones so you guys can see here, a thing of bread, and then also had to get some soap, some wipes, some soft scrub for the bathroom, trying out this blueberry moon milk unwinding body wash from Dove. This is my first time trying the EOS, what is it? EOS, I don't want to say it wrong, lotion. We have had the smaller little travel things, and then also is always used like the lip moisturizer, but this is the first time I'm getting the big bottle of lotion, trying that out. And then also I got the Dickens Witch Hazel this time. It's for pore perfecting toner, which is good. I think it's going to be good for Zoe. She has a lot of breakouts on her nose, so we're going to try this for that and see how this works, but I still will be getting the other one as well. So good morning guys. I look a little flushed. My head looks crazy. I just came back not too long ago from doing a walk and little run. Made myself a smoothie. The glow up is real. Yeah, so you can't drink from me. Remember, I have a little cold. You want me to make you one? Get out the, take a banana that's already in that bag. Get the strawberry out the freezer. Just put it up there on the counter, and then I'll empty out my thing in a cup and wash that out for you. Just leave the banana there. Just put it on the counter. I only gotta take a few pieces off. Yeah, make myself a smoothie. Hatman's Express. I need to wash my hair. We got a lot going on. I went to put up the curtains last night, but the rod I got, I didn't realize was the wrong size rod. I think I was rushing, so I have to order a new one. Hopefully I can get that here by today, or whenever we get the curtains so I can show you guys. And then Mason's over here putting up toys. Mason's over here cleaning up the toys so I can just start cleaning up, being that I just got back inside. So today I was gonna just do a quick clean up, tidy up, and I'm gonna fold the curtains up. That's why I put that one over there. Fold them up neatly and put them in the closet so at least they're not messy. So now he's over there chilling. Yeah, and that's that. Take out the milk. So I'm gonna go make Zoe a smoothie really quick, and I'll get back with you guys in a little bit. All right, so I figured I'd show you guys really quick, if you can hear me, how I'm making a smoothie. I'm only putting a few things in here. I got this blender from Amazon a while ago. It's like a to-go blender. Small. Mason, be for real. I just put 3 or 4 little pieces of the banana in there. Close this back up, Zoe, put that over for me, please. And then I'm only actually doing 2 strawberries because the strawberries are kind of big. So because of the blender and I don't want to mess up the blade for it, and it says it's best that you chop them up, I take the 2 strawberries And I'm gonna just chop them up really quick. You guys can see. Just chop them up here. My countertops are good. We can cut on them. And then also she wants some of the protein powder that I added in. So I'm gonna put a little bit of powder in there for her as well. You can put back up the strawberries though. Just make sure you close it properly, please. She sealed it up really good. Okay. So protein powder I'm using is my Earth Champ, which I've shared before. So I'm using this. It's a natural probiotic powder, and I basically put 2 scoops in there, and it's nice and thick. It has like a nice thick comes out nice and thick, nice thick texture and everything to it. Okay, and then I'm gonna basically, you guys can see the line, I'm gonna fill the milk up to that little line right there, and I already put in my little crushed ice. Put that up for me, please, though. And then all I do, put the cover on it, push it down like that, close up the top, and then I'll lock it in place. This is always first impression. Just push it up. Try it. Tastes good, right? And it's nice and thick. So there you go. That's how the smoothie looks. He's gonna try it. He likes smoothies, so.
It's like the strawberry
You like it?
banana.
It's like the strawberry banana ones in the fridge. You like it? Okay. So now I'm gonna just share a little bit of a quick speed cleaning around the house, some places that I touched, and give you guys a little bit of cleaning motivation. The room is bad.
It's not that bad.
It is bad. So I'm going to just clean up Mason's room really quick.
It's not that bad.
I'm going to put a speed clean on real quick with you guys in here just to get it tidied up because this bothers my nerves. I have to work in here tomorrow and I'm not going to deal with this. So we're going to do this really quick, guys.
I know you don't mean to, but you're blocking my view. I know you got issues, but I got my shit too.
Okay, so I'm finished with Mason's room. You guys saw we just wiped everything down. Of course, he's jumping around, but this is how it looks. Everything's clean. I'm waiting for his pillowcase to come out of the washing machine. Everything's wiped off, done, clean. And I'm still waiting for the curtain rod to come for the girls. So if it comes today, then I'll definitely show the curtain going up and how it looks. I did get clips of how it looks before, so I'll put that in here, and then I'll show you guys the after, and that'll be it with this cleaning video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next one.